In Canada, 70% of call centers still rely on on-premise technology, while globally, 75% have already moved to the cloud. There is no reason to avoid cloud solutions, as Sean Schernberger, president of Sunco Communication and Installation, highlights. Becoming a cloud-based contact center has several competitive benefits. However, the full range of benefits extends beyond staying competitive on the global market. Switching to a cloud-based contact center can transform your operations. Here are some reasons why. Omnichannel routing lets you seamlessly manage customer interactions across phone, email, chat, and social media, all from one centralized platform. Intelligent Virtual Agents, or IVAs, are AI-powered agents that can handle routine tasks and free your live agents to focus on more complex issues. Cloud solutions allow agents to work from anywhere, which boosts productivity. Integrated CRM tools also ensure quick customer data access, streamlining interactions. With faster access to information, agents can resolve issues more quickly. Cloud technology helps manage call volumes by distributing calls among available agents, reducing wait times, and making it easy to scale. Moving to the cloud eliminates the need for expensive hardware, lowering operational costs while maintaining high service quality. Cloud platforms like Five9 automatically update, and they can track agent performance in real time. If you're ready to move your contact center to the cloud, Sunco Communication and Installation, a Five9 partner, is here to help. We have the expertise to configure your cloud solution to meet your unique needs.